Skincare is not one size fits all. This is my personal routine for normal skin type, and I am not suggesting you go out and purchase these products without your own research or advice from a professional.
What's up, gang? It's Steffi V to G. You're probably wondering, who the is she and what can she do for me? Well, I'm here to put you on the game. This channel is for the Trader Joe hoes that meal prep to save money, time, and to stay fine. I'll give you my tips and tricks on how I meal prep around coupons, lifestyle, diet, and I'll give you some innovative recipes for the fake wine snobs who will opt for a glass of wine at the end of a long day just to wind down. Pinkies up. I'm a certified sommelier. No, not Somalian, sommelier. I'll teach you how to properly pick wine, pair it with food, and even taste like a pro. So you could be a real wine snob. For the ones that no matter how drunk you are, you're taking off your makeup and doing your skincare routine before you go to bed. Me, I'm a Sephora junkie. And I have lots of friends in the beauty industry who bless me with gratis, which is free products. So I'll do some reviews and tutorials for you guys, and also show you how I maintain this fuckboy free glow for the fashion forward ones who can mix highs and lows and has an eye for good pieces. I'm co-owner of Paper Doll Boutique, a women's clothing boutique that was a brick and mortar for 7 years. After closing, my partner and I, Vicky, decided, you know what? I think we want to relaunch online. So I'll take you on our journey, and I might throw in some coupon codes and sales too. That's only if you really get down with gang. This sounds like you? Click the subscribe button below so you'll never miss out on a tea. And they don't call me the G for nothing. Get down or lay down.
Back on deck on my fly shit, really on my shit, pay some respect to my mindset, head blowing smoke, catch a contact, niggas really mad they can't stop us, back on the scene, unconscious, always been me, yeah, I'm poppin', I ain't really here for the gossip, nah, blah, 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 yeah, I'm hot, bitch, try to play me, but you tried it, way too wavy, gotta ride it, pull up on you, you make a eye, neck on wrist on shaman, tell them say less, no comment, and we only here for the comment.
You're probably wondering why you should even bother with the skincare routine. I'll give you 3 reasons to start. Number 1, the largest organ in your body is your skin. So having a routine prevents issues and it helps improve the health of your skin. And my motto is prevention is way easier than correction. Number 2, it slows down the signs of aging. As you get older, your skin begins to lose elasticity. So when you clean, exfoliate, moisturize, and protect your skin from the sun, it actually puts that back in the process. And number 3, it boosts confidence. When you eliminate personal concerns like dark circles underneath your eyes or spots on your skin, it makes you feel more comfortable stepping into the world without having to put makeup on. It gives me that boost of confidence and it makes me feel better about myself. Now, skincare is not one size fits all. Being consistent and dedicated to a skincare routine is key. But more importantly, you first must know your skin type and your personal skin goals. There are 5 types of skin types: normal, dry, oily, combination, which is both dry and oily, and sensitive. Now, normal skin is neither too dry nor too oily. It has minimal imperfections, a smooth texture, and honestly, you could opt for 3 steps with this skin type: cleaning, moisturizing, and sunscreen. Thank God for Big B, because in my case, my normal skin is genetics, and I really don't have to do too much. Now, dry skin is usually categorized as having a tightness, roughness, sometimes itching, redness, and sometimes small cracks. Oily skin has a humid, shiny, and porous appearance, and this is usually related to acne. Combination has characteristics of both dry and oily, typically more oily here towards the T-zone, and then dry maybe towards the cheeks and the rest of the face. Sensitive skin is very fragile, and you might find some discomfort as far as heat, tightness, redness, and itching. Now that we narrow down your skin type, let's get into your skin concerns. Now, there are a whole bunch of concerns, but the most common would be bags under your eyes, dark circles, dark spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, dry skin, oily skin, blackheads. I suggest starting with 1 or 2 concerns and working on that. But do remember, consistency is key, and so is patience. Use your product consistently for at least 28 days. Now that's about the time it takes for your skin to go through a renewal cycle. And honestly, it took me about 3 months to finally see the differences I was looking for.
Now let's get into the real shit. Skincare routine steps. No matter how consistent you may be, if your routine isn't in the correct order, you may not get the proper benefits. So the rule of thumb is to layer your products starting with the thinnest water-based products and ending with the thickest. Step 1. Cleanser. Remove dirt and oil. Now dry skin, opt for oil-based or a balm or milky cleansers. Oily skin, I'll do a double cleanse starting with the micellar water. Step 2 is toner. So once your skin is clean and dry, the second step is to remove excess dirt and oil and prep your skin for absorption of serums and treatments applied afterwards. Step 3 is face serums. These are targeted products to help your specific skin contours. In my case, I use vitamin C and hyaluronic acid to visibly plump and brighten my skin for a more radiant complexion. The fourth step is eye cream. Now, the skin around your eyes is about 10 times thinner than the skin in the rest of your face. So daily hydration and moisture helps reduce the appearance of aging, wrinkles, bags, and even dark circles. A little tip is to keep your eye cream in the fridge, and it helps reduce the puffiness in the morning. Now with this fifth step, moisturizer. Some people say you should put your oil on first, others say moisturizer first. This is to your discretion. Me personally, I put my moisturizer on first. And moisturizing daily is essential regardless of your skin type, but the kind you pick should be specific to your skin type. For instance, dry skin should use cream-based, while oily skin should opt for a more lightweight gel-based. I use a daytime oil, which is more lightweight and antioxidant rich without feeling heavy or greasy, and then a nighttime oil, which can be slightly richer. The last and most important step is sunscreen. No matter your skin type, no matter your skin tone, no matter if it's sunny or cloudy, wearing SPF every day is vital, and I suggest at least 30. The one I use is about 50. Here's my AM regimen and some of the products I'm using now for my normal skin type and my personal concerns, which is brightness, dark spots, and dark circles. First, I do a double cleanse. I'll use micellar cleansing water, which is a herbal infused water that draws out impurities without drying out the skin. Now this is good for all skin types, even sensitive. Look at all that dirt. Ugh. Then I'll go in with my Tatcha Deep Cleanse Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. Now Tatcha is a Japanese skincare brand, and this is also good for all skin types. So this is an oil-free gel that lathers into a creamy foam, as you see. So this has amino acids derived from silk, grounded fibers from Japanese loofah fruit, Japanese wild rose, Japanese leopard lily, and honestly, I've been using this product for 2 years. So this is a staple item for me. I love it. Now, when drying your face, I suggest that you use a new washcloth every day. So I wash my face twice a day, and the next day, I'll get a new one. Next step is toning. So here I'm using Primera Miracle Seed Essence. Primera is a Korean skincare brand if you're not familiar, and this is a concentrated essence to improve your tone and prep your skin for better absorption. This has lotus seeds, which helps increase hydration and help defend against environmental factors. Now after my toner, I go in with targeted serums. So I use the Inky List, brightening cream, vitamin C, and then the hyaluronic acid, and I actually mix these two together. So the vitamin C has 30% ascorbic acid, which can sometimes cause tingly sensation or skin irritation, so this is why I mix the both, to try to avoid that. Next is my eye cream. Now I'm a Sephora girl, y'all, so I use my points actually to try this sample. This is by Essence. There's squalene and algae eye cream. Now the algae is to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and the squalene locks in essential moisture. I actually really like how this feels, so I think I'm going to actually buy the full version. Now it's time to moisturize. I use Laneige, which is a Japanese skincare brand, and I use a lot of their products. So this is the Water Bank Moisture Cream, which has vegetable extracts. So they have a green mineral water where they extract Brussels sprout, artichoke, and lima beans. It has lots of antioxidants. Then I go in with the Cream Skin Mist. Now this has white leaf tea water. And I just add this step for extra hydration for the winter time. Then I seal all this moisture with the dual layer face oil. Now this is a lightweight oil, it doesn't leave any greasiness, and it has grapeseed oil, macadamia oil, and quinoa seed extract. Now the last step, and the most important step, I don't care if you're black, red, white, blue, or anything in between, sunscreen. Now me, I use the Supergoop Glow Oil, which is a lightweight oil as well, and also has grapeseed oil and marigold extract. And then I finish off with the Laneige Lip Mask, which has vitamin C and antioxidants. And I love this. I use this all the time. And that, my friends, is my skincare routine. And this is what you call a fuckboy free glow. This is what I'm really going for, a natural glow. Here are the products I use during my AM skincare routine. Thanks for watching. Now, if you picked up some gems today, click the subscribe button so you never miss out on the tea every Thursday.